So, if we add it all up, basically ho, ang tinutumbok lang ho talaga dito, even the denied claims, okay, based on my experience, eto ho yan. Hindi ho kayo nababayaran dahil sa poor documentation. So I'm going to repeat it. Based on my experience, okay, aligned with the findings of COA, a lot of the hospitals are not getting paid simply because of documentation. It's not an issue wherein your doctors are incompetent. No, there is nothing like that. Ano yung problema? The ability to provide PhilHealth what they want to see. Ulitin ko ha. There is a failure in the hospital to give PhilHealth what they want to see. Alam nyo, pag nagpadala ho kayo ng claim kay PhilHealth, hindi ho lahat yan babasahin. Okay? Because there's no time to read all of that. Selective reading ho yan. So yung point ko ho dito, you need to give PhilHealth what they want to see. Okay? So kailangan ho may consistent, it should be, the information that you need to provide must be correct, it must be complete, and it must be consistent. Okay. At this point ho, may I know, malinaw ba ho, okay, yung explanation ko? Can you type yes if malinaw, type no if hindi, dahil uulitin ko ho. May I know? Okay, we have yes, we have yes, we have yes, we have yes. Okay. Very clear. Thank you, sir. So if that is the case, ang tutukan pala natin is, my God, very simple. It's documentation. Okay? Ulitin ko ha. Yun din ang sinabi ni COA. Okay? Sa experience ko, believe me, I've been doing this for 2 decades. Okay? If ganun pala ang problema, okay, let's give PhilHealth what they want to see. And it's very simple. Okay? You teach your people how to document it right. Yes, it's that simple. It is not an issue kung magaling yung doktor nyo. Okay? Hindi ho trabaho ni PhilHealth yan. Yung doktor nyo, diplomate fellow, magaling ho yan. Wala hong issue dyan. Yung management, wala hong issue. Ang problema po is, isinulat ba doon sa claim form yung mga dapat na isusulat? So, if may RTH kayo at may deny, ibig sabihin, hindi ho yan na isulat ng tama. So, if that is if the solution is proper documentation, so ang question, sinong dapat turuan sa documentation? Okay? O kasi, di ba, I've spent practically 2 minutes stressing the importance of documentation. Doc Ben, paulit-ulit yung documentation mo. Okay, gets na namin. Anong point mo? Sino tuturuan ng documentation? Okay. Ang question ko ganito. Sino sa inyo, sa hospital, ang i-prioritize natin na turuan ng tamang documentation? Can you type it in the chat box if you know sino yung priority na dapat turuan ng proper documentation para maisulat sa claim form? Sino sa tingin ninyo? Can you please type it in the chat box? Okay? Anybody? Okay. Okay. Okay, ayan. Okay, diba? Thank you very much. We have the doctors, the attending physician, the doctors. Uy, susumbong ko kayo sa mga doktor ninyo. Okay? So, ibig ba sabihin yung mga doktor hindi marunong mag-document? Ganun ba? Okay? Actually, yes. Tama ho kayo. Okay? The priority is to train the doctors in documentation. The PhilHealth Insurance in Charge, pwede din po. Pero ang priority ho natin is eto hong mga doctors. Okay? So, why? Why is it that bakit ang doktor Okay? Anong meron? Okay? Bakit ang doktor? So, eto ho yan. Okay? Doctors are basically not trained in PhilHealth. Don't get me wrong, ha? I am married to a clinician and many of my friends are doctors. Unfortunately ho, okay, be it from medical school, residency training, and in the hospital, our clinicians were never trained, okay, in PhilHealth rules and policies. Yung PhilHealth rules, nakatutok ko yan sa documentation. Okay? So yan ho yung problema. Dahil ang mga doktor ho dito, ang tingin ko dyan, biktima. Kakasuhan ho sila ng kahit ng anong-anong bagay ni PhilHealth, wherein unintentional naman yun, clerical error. Why? Kasi hindi ho itinuro sa kanila kung paano dapat, okay, gawin yung documentation sa mga claim forms. Okay? So, it's very critical, okay, that the priority here is to train the doctors. Okay? True. Okay, pwede hong i-train ng OPD nurse and the doctor, the attending. Okay, lahat ho yan pwede. But ang priority ho is you start with the doctor.